Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to easily draw Cristiano Ronaldo using just 9 dots like this. Okay, first step is to grab the paper you will be using to draw. Now mark the 9 dots on your paper. Connect all 9 dots with lines, just like I am doing here. Now comes the most important step, so watch carefully. Let's begin by drawing the eyebrow. Notice the lines and dots it follows closely. Now let's draw the eyes, nose, lips and all the other parts, just like we did before. Pay close attention to which lines and dots each part goes near. That's really important for getting it right.
Like.
Sub.